such a multicolor reverse yarn adding. How to realize it through resin plate making. First, do a simple analysis of the pattern. There are two main difficulties with this pattern. The first point is the minimal cycle of the pattern. From this figure, we can see that the smallest loop of the pattern consists of these 4 small diamond-shaped pieces. Find this loop of 4 small diamond blocks. You can find the smallest cycle of the pattern. The second point is the self-switching position of the main width yarn of the pattern. From this figure, we can see that the position of the toggle is on the edge of each small diamond. That is, the switching of the main white yarn is the trend of increasing needles and reducing needles. Okay, next. Set the yarn feed number corresponding to the color. Here, white is designated as number 3, and yellow is designated as number 4. Brown is size 5, blue is size 6. Next, let's draw the base map of this pattern together. Let's fill in the yarn feed number first. Function line 217 first column indicates the yarn feeder number of the main yarn. Main yarn setting number 3 and number 5. Function line 218 first column indicates the yarn feeder number of the white yarn. White yarn set number 4 and number 6. Back to fabric effects. As can be seen, right side of white yarn is yellow yarn. The white and yellow yarns switch positions in the upper left trend. So the previous and the next permutations are on the basis of the previous. Add 2 sketches to the left next time. Switch software. Here we take 20-pin switching as an example to draw. Fill the pattern layer with color 1. Toggle pattern layer. 1 means 217 is the main yarn, 218 is the white yarn. 2 means 218 is the main yarn, 217 is the white yarn. To display white here, the color of yarn feeder number 3 needs to be displayed. Then use color code 1 to draw 20 stitches. The right side of white is yellow, and the color of number 4 yarn feeder needs to be displayed. Then use color code number 2 to draw 20 stitches. Copy here 3 times. It is convenient to find the smallest loop of the pattern. The next arrangement is to add 2 stitches to the left. Select the multiple copy tool. Copy the first time. Enter the total number of copies to be copied. Can output multiple copies directly. Below, look at the arrangement of brown and blue. Blue shown above white. The color of yarn feeder number 6 is displayed. The right side of blue shows brown. The color of yarn feeder number 5 is displayed. And the trend in the upper right of the blue and brown alignment layer. So the previous and the next permutations are on the basis of the previous. Add 2 stitches to the right next time. Switch to software. Blue on top of white, showing color number 6. Then use color code number 2 to draw 20 stitches. The right side of blue is brown, showing the color of yarn feeder number 5. Then use color code 1 to do 20 stitches. Copy multiple, easy to find the smallest loop. The next arrangement is to add 2 stitches to the right. The same. Use the multiple copy tool to copy out multiple arrangements. After copying, you can see where the intersection can find the smallest loop of the pattern. These 4 small diamond blocks are the smallest loop of the pattern. We find the minimum cycle. Make an entire column copy. Then set the map. Select center. Forming. Compile. About the compilation parameters of reverse yarn adding. Main with yarn switching method. Select multiple systems switching. Choose a ADF model. Sure. Check the computer action. It can be seen here that the main white yarn switches the yarn feeder. Red main yarn, blue white yarn. Here is 3 reverse yarn adding 4. On the right is for reverse yarn adding 3.